Emotional start. Every morning, Maya took the same bus to work. And every morning, she saw her. A little girl in a faded school uniform, always sitting quietly in the corner, staring out the window. She never spoke. She never smiled. But her eyes held a story that Maya couldn't ignore. Until one day, Maya couldn't take it anymore. She sat beside her. She held her tiny hand. And that one moment changed everything. Maya's routine. Maya was a school teacher. A kind-hearted woman in her early 40s, living alone in the city after losing her only child in an accident 3 years ago. Since then, life had become quiet. Her daily bus ride was a moment of peace. But for the last few weeks, something had disturbed that peace. A little girl, not older than 7, always in the same seat. Same uniform. Same sadness in her eyes. The mysterious girl. She never got off at any school. She would ride the bus for hours. And then disappear. No parents. No lunchbox. Just a tiny backpack and her silence. People ignored her. Some called her the weird bus girl. But Maya couldn't. She saw her own daughter in that little face. She tried smiling at her once. No response. She waved. Nothing. The day everything changed. One rainy morning, the bus was half empty. The little girl was there again, soaked, shivering. Her shoes were torn. That was it. Maya walked up to her, slowly sat beside her, and gently placed her hand on the girl's small fingers. The girl flinched. But Maya smiled softly and said, "Hi, sweetie. What's your name?" The girl looked up with tears brimming in her eyes. And for the first time, she whispered, "Sarah." A heartbreaking truth. Over the next few minutes, Sarah opened up. Her mother had passed away 6 months ago. Her father? She didn't know him. She had been staying with a distant aunt, who left her alone most days. The bus was her only escape. She felt safe there. Maya was speechless. She held Sarah close. As if embracing her own daughter again. She made a decision. Right there. Taking action. That day, Maya took Sarah to the school where she worked. She spoke to the principal. She called Child Protection Services. She ensured Sarah had food, warm clothes, and a safe place to sleep that night. But deep down, she knew. She didn't want Sarah to just be safe. She wanted her to be home. Scene 6, a new beginning. Weeks passed. Maya started fostering Sarah. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day. From holding hands on a bus to holding hearts in a home, they healed together. Maya wasn't just saving a child. Sarah was saving her too. Ending scene, emotional closure. 1 year later. Sarah stood on stage at her school's annual function. She was smiling, glowing in her new uniform, speaking with confidence. She looked at Maya in the audience and said, "This is for the woman who held my hand one rainy morning, and gave me a life I never dreamed I could have. I love you, Mama." Maya wept, holding her hands to her heart. Because kindness isn't just an act. Sometimes, it's a miracle in disguise. Moral of the story. One small act of kindness can save a life, can heal a heart, and sometimes can create a new family.